toxic people. Sometimes you have a conversation with someone and suddenly your confidence goes down. You start feeling insecure and anxious and drown into negativity. We can refer the someone in the later sentence to toxic people. Do you know, if you are emotionally intelligent, handling toxic people becomes a cakewalk. No one can pull you down. How? Let's get to know in this chapter. Let's look into how emotionally intelligent people handle toxic people. Emotionally intelligent people are the people who are self-aware. These people can manage their emotions flawlessly. They are socially aware and can manage relations with utmost ease and comfort. What defines toxic people? Who are they and what they do? Some people, based on the circumstances they go through in life, develop an attitude of ridiculing others or belittle others or think negative or point fingers, etc. Keeping that in perspective, when emotionally intelligent people come across toxic people who can really pull anyone down, bring a lot of negativity. They use their self-awareness skill in managing them. Let's take an example. Sunil and Ajit are two employees. Sunil is considered as emotionally intelligent and Ajit is toxic in nature. They are part of a monthly review meeting in which Sunil gets a presentation about his contribution. Ajit, who is toxic in nature, points fingers at Sunil and claims that he is wrong in his approach. Under normal circumstances, if anyone points fingers at us, we generally get angry and we tend to develop hate towards them. If we need to grow in our professional life, we should be ready to accept criticism and negative feedback. There will always be differences of opinion and not necessarily everybody has a similar mindset we have. Hence, it is very important to know how to deal with those situations in life. Sunil, being emotionally intelligent, handles the situation first by appreciating the points mentioned by Ajit and considering his viewpoint. If there is any merit in what Ajit mentioned, Sunil can acknowledge that points will be considered for implementation after careful consideration. If there is no merit in what Ajit mentioned, then Sunil can justify and explain the reason for which it is not a great idea and in the interest of the organization to take it up further, and keep the decision open for the higher authorities to decide what course of action to be taken. With this approach, most of the situations involving toxic people in nature can be controlled. Consider the following points in dealing with toxic people. 1. Our instant and unthoughtful reactions will act as a fuel for the toxic people to further escalate the situation. 2. Emotionally intelligent people do not carry the baggage of what happened in the past and create opinions about others. 3. Emotionally intelligent people have the nature of forgiveness. Even if someone does any wrong, rather than developing hatred, they forgive them. 4. When others tell you that you are wrong, consider that it is wrong from their perspective, which might be correct or wrong. If you are aware that they are wrong, you must have the patience to clarify why their perception is wrong. And if you realize that you are wrong, then you must be humble enough to accept your fault. Nobody is perfect and there is nothing wrong with accepting one's faults and mistakes. 5. Emotionally intelligent people are open for criticism. They believe that nobody is perfect and they look for improvements and consider criticism as an opportunity to improve themselves. 6. Emotionally intelligent people do not lose their self-esteem and confidence because of others' criticism. 7. They do not strike off others' opinion. They consider what others say with an open mind.
Let's look at certain takeaways from this chapter. Emotionally intelligent people are generally self-aware and socially aware as well. When emotionally intelligent people come across toxic people who can really pull anyone down, bring a lot of negativity, they use their self-awareness skill in managing them. Emotionally intelligent people do not carry the baggage of what happened in the past and create opinions about others. Emotionally intelligent people are open to criticism. They believe that nobody is perfect and they look for improvements and consider criticism as an opportunity to improve themselves. They do not strike off others' opinions. They consider what others say with an open mind.